In the last video, we learned how to cut, score, and write on paper to create a pop-up card. In this video, we'll show you how to assemble it. First, start by folding along the score lines. Do every piece. Next, adhere the piece of patterned paper to what will be the top of the inside of your card. Now put glue on the backside of the bare layer. We will put glue on the corners and at various places along the edges. But make sure not to glue down the bears. We want those cuties to pop up. Now glue the top of the card down first and work your way down to the bottom, making sure the cardstock is firmly attached to the back of the card. Now adhere the hearts onto the bears. Once your card is fully glued, fold the card up and carefully check that everything folds correctly. And there you have it! Super cute! For more Cricut tips, how-tos, and project ideas, join us at youtube.com/officialcricut.